This technology right here is our fire control solution that allows you to acquire, lock on, and track targets. And coupled with the pistol grip here that we can put on any weapon system, we can block the firing and allow this weapon to fire only when it's a guaranteed hit. Simple press of a button and release, and you can lock your target. This feeds back into the computer right here, which is our actual magic right here. Using image processing, this determines the target, tracks the target, locks on the target, and then our trigger mechanism down here is a fire at will at any given time, but once I press that button, it locks this. Once I release it, it will lock on the target and give me an aim point, and then I just hold down the trigger, squeeze the trigger, keep it, align the crosshairs, and you'll hear the round release only when it's going to be a high probability of a hit.
Explore the world's most powerful fighter jets, tanks, and war machines. Subscribe now and join the ultimate military adventure.